one of the most important things to look for is to see which way the market breaks within the first hour or after the first hour. And so I suggest using a lot of patience and hold off your trading early in the day. And that's until you can determine which way the market direction is going to take prices. So let's start with Monday, October 21st. Market opened right over here, 58.98, went up, closed the gap, and then after the first hour, we see it broke the opening low. It broke the low. So we can assume the prices are likely to trade lower, and they did. On the next day, Tuesday, October 22nd, market opened just about at the lower end of the Taylor trading zone and vacillated through there, up, down, up, down. Where did it break? Prices broke the opening high. Prices broke it right about here, just after 11 o'clock. And so prices ultimately did go up, hit the gap, closed the gap, and then that was the end of the day. But the patient trader was the one who waited until he could determine, or she could determine, the direction the market was going to take. Let's move forward to Wednesday. Now, Wednesday, there was some volatility. I don't know why the market did what it did in terms of reaching down like this suddenly, but at the same time, there was a beige book announcement. I'm not so sure that that was the cause of it, but still in all, which way did the market break? The high was over here, the low was over here, tested the high, actually broke through a little bit, but quickly moved down, broke the low, prices moved to the lower side. We could assume the market was going to, at the time it broke the low, market was going to trade lower, and it did. Notice on Wednesday, prices did not close the gap as they did on Monday and Tuesday. On Thursday, October 24th, the market opened just about at the Taylor trading zone resistance point, did break the low right about over here, traded lower. But then again, the important thing was close the gap. So two issues to look for. Which way is the market going to trade based on, is it going to break the intraday high or low during the first hour? And where is the gap? The gap, I always mark the gap, as should you, on my chart. I put a horizontal line on the chart. On Friday, October 25th, very interesting day. The trading zone was down here. As you can see, prices opened way up here, traded higher, and then boom, closed the gap. But notice that prices opened here. We waited about an hour, okay? This was about 10:20. At about 11, after 11, you had to have a lot of patience. Prices did break the low right over here. Boom, they traded down, closed the gap. The gap is always a good hint. And it might be a little difficult to see which way prices are going to go, but remember, gaps always close. So that's my video and advice for today, and actually every day. Use lots of patience. If you're not sure which way the market is going to go, remember the most important thing every trader wants to know, and the only piece of important information that you need to know, is which way is the market going to go. Wait till the market establishes an intraday high or low during the first half hour to hour of the day and see which way it breaks. And so that is the best advice I can give you, and I've illustrated it in this short video. And also, always keep your eye on where prices closed the previous day, where prices are likely to close the gap, as they usually do. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safely, use lots of patience, and I'll see you in my next video. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy.